welcome to Grated TV. Today we are going to make an authentic Kerala style mango chutney or manga chammanthi. That's what we say. Manga means mango, chutney means chammanthi. So let's make this authentic Kerala style mango chutney. Alright? For this you would need a blender or a food processor. For this recipe I'm going to be using green mango. How do you tell if your mango is green? Just press on it, and if it's firm, that it is green. Some mangoes that we get at our local grocery store tends to be bigger but not as sour as these little guys. So choose your mango, and the green mango flesh would be white as so. So this is about a cup and a half worth of green mango, which I have peeled and diced into small cubes. We need fresh curry leaves, freshly grated coconut, a few pieces of shallot. I'm using one. This was one bundle. That shallot, a small piece of ginger, according to your desire, how spicy you like your mango chutney to be. I'm using Thai chilies here. Now, how do you tell if your Thai chilies are going to be really spicy? The yellow ones not to be very spicy, but the green ones are. They will give you a kick for it. So I'm using about 4 Thai chilies here. Of course, we need salt to taste. If your mango is very sour, then according to that balance the taste, you can add your salt to it. For all this we need a blender. So first let's add all of this into our blender. So I have cubed our mango. All of that mango goes in with our curry leaves. The more curry leaf that you add, your chutney is going to become green. So forecast that ahead. Next we need Thai chilies. Like I said, you can decrease it or increase your Thai chilies. There's no right and wrong in here. A small piece of ginger. This is not even a half inch, but a small piece. It's just a surprising element in there. And few shallots. Let's cover this and give it a whip. Alright, so I don't like my mango chutney to be so smooth, so there is pieces in there that are chunky. So if you can take a look, there are pieces that are kind of chunky. Now we are going to add in our coconut according to your texture. You can smell that Thai chilies and the shallots and the ginger all in there, so according to your desire. So I'm adding about 3/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. If you want to add more, please feel free to, no problem. And let's add a bit of salt, about a tablespoon or so for now. And we're going to cover this, give it up another whip. I'm going to just pulse it. Okay, let's pause in between. Scrape the bottom of this food processor or blender. As you can see, it's not too fine paste, but there is pieces in there for us to munch on. It's going to be an awesome chutney. Let's put it back into the blender, give it another whip. Okay, our chutney is done. It's simple as that. Let's take it out. This is the time to do your taste test and see if you like it or not, or add any more coconut or chilies or even salt for that matter. But because of we added a little bit extra curry leaves, our chutney is in a green form. But you know what, taste wise there's no compromise. It's going to be an authentic style. Okay, our chutney is done. Let's serve this with some nice warm rice and we'll be all good. My friends, we just made our authentic Kerala style mango chammanthi. Don't forget to try this out. This is an all-time winner. I mean, any time of the day, this is superb. With your porridge, with your rice, with your sadhya, anything, any of your sort. Especially during cold time, this and rice is my favorite, along with some papad. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and we'll try it out. And if you do make it, please do tag me in your Facebook, Instagram, whatnot. And I'll see you next time on Grated TV. Thank you. Bye.